Assalamualaikum, my name is Najmi BMMA3564. I'm going to present about introduction and history. PVC stands for positive crankcase ventilation. It is an one-way valve attached to the crankcase. In order to prevent oil sludge from clogging up vehicle's engine and to protect the environment from toxic gas, the PVC valve was created. The first PVC system was built during World War II to allow tank engine to operate during deep boarding operation, where the normal draft tube ventilator would have allowed water to enter the crankcase and destroy the engine. The PCV system was designed to recalculate gases into the air intake so that they could be combined with the fresh air fuel and more completely combusted. In 1961, California regulation required that all new cars be sold with a PCV system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AHMAD bin ZAHARI. Then I'm going to talk about theory of operation on how it can reduce emission or pollution. Intake manifold vacuum is applied to the crankcase via the PCV valve. The airflow through the crankcase and engine interior sweeps away combustion by-product gases. This mixture of air and crankcase gases then exits often via another simple baffle, screen or mesh to exclude oil droplet through the PCV valve and into the intake manifold. The PCV valve controls the flow of crankcase gases entering the intake system. At idle, the manifold vacuum is high, which would draw in a large quantity of crankcase gases, causing the engine to run too lean. The PCV valve closes when the manifold vacuum is high, restricting the quantity of crankcase gases entering the intake system. And lastly, when the engine is under load or operating at higher RPM, a higher quantity of blow-by gases are produced. The intake manifold vacuum is lower in this condition, which causes the PCV valve to open and crankcase gases flow to the intake system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad IMAN bin ISMAIL and I will explain about the system and technology diagram. So it consists of a simple spring-loaded valve with a sliding pintle inside. The movement of the pintle up and down changes the orifice opening. As a result, regulating the volume of air passing through the PCV valve. The location of the valve allows it to pull the vapors from inside the engine without sucking oil from the crankcase. There are baffles inside the valve cover or valley cover that deflect and help separate droplets of oil from the blowy vapors. A hose connects the top of PCV valve to a vacuum port on the throttle body, which is carburetor or intake manifold, which allowing the vapors to be siphoned directly into the engine. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is AHMAD NAZMI. For the advantages, PCV valve eliminates crankcase emissions. It reduces harmful emission from the cars. Next, it keeps the system free of moisture due to the constant air circulation that it implies. It also helps keep engine damaging sludge to a minimum, extending the life of your oil. For disadvantages, if the pintle inside the PCV valve sticks open or the spring breaks, the PCV valve may flow too much air and lean out the idle mixture. If the hose that connects the valve to the throttle body, carburetor or intake manifold pulls loose, cracks or leaks, it allows the unmetered air to enter the engine and upset the fuel mixture. Next, a restricted or clogged PCV valve cannot pull moisture and blow by vapors out of the crankcase. The loss of air flow through the valve can also cause the air or fuel mixture to run richer than normal.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is ILHAM MUDZAFFAR bin Abdul MUTEK and my matric number is B0918-130. And today I will tell you about opinion on the technology and the improvement that can be done on the selector and the technology. It is a good device to reduce our car emission. This is because number one, PCV valve job is to take the gases produced by the crankcase and route them back into your engine's combustion chambers to be safely burned without harming your vehicle or the environment. Number two is to keep the system free of moisture due to the constant air circulation that it implies. The improvement that can be done, number one is make a dual flow two circuit design, a valve that would have an adjustable idle flow circuit and an adjustment for transition to the cruise circuit. And the last one is use balls instead of a pintle for better backfire protection. The balls would also provide better reverse flow protection for boost application. That's all from me. Thank you.